Hi guys, Phil here from RPI Designs again. Today we're going to show you our C7 Waterfall. We've been selling these for a long time for C6s and C5s. We've got a couple great options for your C7 owners. Like this one here has this unique lid, which I'll show you a little bit later. You can get these painted any OEM color. You can get it painted all one color, or like this one here, where we have a carbon flash insert. So this one here also has this great feature. This little storage compartment here. You can put your wallet, keys, change up in here, or any small items you need to get tucked away. Because as you know, if you have a C7, you don't have a whole lot of options for storage areas. Okay, if you don't want to get the door for yours, we also have it available as a solid one, where it all comes here the same. This is all one piece, no door. And we can, if you want, we can do the louvers up in the top section like an accent color. Most guys choose carbon flash. It's a great option. It really dresses up your car. It gives it that nice convertible look that was so popular. And it only takes a few minutes to install. We'll show you how to do that right now. Alright guys, you see we have our C7 out here. We took the roof panel off just so you guys could go and have a better shot and see what we're doing here. You don't need to take the panel off to go and install a waterfall. First trip, move this out of the way, slide your seat forward, and tip the back. Slide that back over there. It's a nice open area there to install it. Grab your waterfall, carefully slide it in. A little tap there, make sure everything's seated correctly. And you're done. Alright guys, as you can see, this installation was a quick and easy one that anyone can do at home with their car. The waterfall is a great way to add some color to the interior of your car. It really dresses it up. It's a very secure installation. The seats hold it in place and it will not move around on you if you ever had to slam on the brakes. It's not going anywhere. You can also see that your roof panel fits in your trunk still just fine. It does not cause any problems with that, so you never have to take it out unless you absolutely want to. It's a great addition to any car and it's sure to help you stand out. We'll see you next time.